welcome to all distinguished guests, members of the faculty, dear students and esteemed members of the legal fraternity present here today. Today as we gather to celebrate Jurisdict, we gather to reflect upon a theme that is both urgent and transformative. Ethics, AI and rule of law, evolving of legal morality in digital democracy. In an era where algorithms influence decisions, artificial intelligence assists education and digital governance reshapes constitutional relationships. The question before us is profound. How do we ensure that justice remains fundamentally human while embracing technological advancements? To guide us through this crucial discourse, we are deeply honored to have this with us a distinguished member of judiciary, a jurist who works embodies with both doctrinal clarity and ethical depth. It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed guest speaker, Honorable Sir Mir Wajahat, a serving district and session judge, presently posted as Additional District and Session Judge, Bandipora, and designated as Special Judge. He joined the Jammu and Kashmir Judicial Services in 2010 as Civil Judge and has since had several significant assignments including Chief Judicial Magistrate support. His judicial journey reflects sustained engagement with criminal adjudication, procedural integrity, and access to justice framework. Academically accomplished, he holds a BSc, LLB, and post-graduation diploma in human rights and LLM, and is currently in the final phase of his PhD at Chandigarh University. He has also undertaken professional orientation in alternative dispute resolution and international commercial arbitration, strengthening his engagement with contemporary dispute resolution system.
Among his notable judicial pronouncements is the widely reported conviction in State versus Ijaz Ahmed Sheikh, delivered at Sohor under Section 377 IPC, where the court imposed a sentence of 14 years rigorous imprisonment in a case involving aggravated abuse of minors. The judgment was recognized for its clarity and reasoning and victim-centric approach and received national media coverage. Beyond the courtroom, Honorable Sir Mir Wajahat Sir is an interdisciplinary thinker. His scholarship spans constitutional morality, procedural fairness, digital constitutionalism, and the ethical dimensions of artificial intelligence with judicial system. He has addressed academic forums on AI governance, rule of law, and evolving legal accountability in a digital democracy. Hailing from the historic town of Doru Shahabad and belonging to the distinguished Mir lineage, he is also akin to the celebrated Kashmiri Sufi poet Rasool Mir. His intellectual and literary reflections beautifully synthesize jurisprudence, philosophy, and poetic conscience. His best work upon a powerful conviction: justice must remain in human essence, even as its instrument evolve with technology. And perhaps there could be no more fitting voice than you, sir, for today's theme. I would now request Dr. Shreya Bhardwaj to please offer the green welcome to our esteemed guest, Mr. Honorable Sir Mir Wajahat. Clap for me. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm and respectful welcome to Honorable Mir Wajahat Sir as he delivers the Juris Day address on ethics, AI, and rule of law, evolving legal morality in digital democracy. Sir, we are honored by your presence. The stage is all yours.
Seem to be very far from me. Very good afternoon to everyone. Can you come? Right, randomly at a distance. If I'm the fourth floor, I can use that podium.
So you can use, we can give you the mic as
It's better that you come in the front row.
well. You can have the mic as well.
इसमें दूरी क्यों है सर? I hope that I'm addressing the future of law. Tomorrow some of you would be lawyers, judges, professors, or what not. So it's such a field. यहाँ से सारे एविडेंस पूछते हैं और लोग पीछे चले जाते हैं. And I request all of you to come through. No seat in the front to be left vacant. If such is the attitude, then I don't think that we have anything to discuss. Then it's better to be at home, then we'll send you a copy, you'll read it at home. I think AI is artificial intelligence. How is it artificial? So that means it's not human. What is not human? It's a prime principle distinction. So anything not human is artificial. But we do customize things on AI. Has anyone used any customization on the AI? Thank you very much, you're honest. And I'm also honest, I'm also using it. But we customize it, isn't it human? Right? Do we have miles to be given to the students? Shall I come down to make it closer? You can say.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I don't think that AI is a human because as a human.
No, my question is different. AI can't never be.
Customization.
We customize things on AI, but still they are not human. How come?
Sir, I think because anything done on a digital platform will not relate to a human.
So this is a big question that will unravel in the day. Why it is not human? So we can't give a single answer. Your input is basic and I take it, but we will be seeing why it is not human. The first thing that we'll discuss is that AI is something which is based on something which is not human. And what it can be? Emotions. Emotions are absolutely human. They are absolutely human. They don't have emotions. Please speak on this.
Basically, they just process the data, whatever they're
Exactly.
provided over there.
Exactly. So what an AI is? AI is a machine who's being taught what is already there. आज तक जो हुआ है उसके पास सब कुछ है. अगर उतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, एटलीस्ट पिछले 50-100 साल का सब डाटा है. अब उस डाटा में क्या है? हमारी पैट्रियार्की भी है, हमारे बाइसेस भी है, हमारी प्रेजुडिसेस भी है, कुछ अच्छा भी है. अब ये मशीन ने सब कुछ सीखा. And what it does? नहीं, what it does when I give data to a machine, what it does? It takes it. So जो हमने आज तक किया है, कांड भी किए हैं, गलत नजरिए भी गए हैं, तो आप देखो ना सोसाइटी कहाँ से कहाँ आ रही है. आप अपने पेरेंट्स को कहते हो थोड़े से बैकवर्ड है ना? Everyone sees his parents a bit backward, unless किसी के पेरेंट्स एम्बिस्पेटेड. तो फिर दादाजी तो उससे भी ज़्यादा, फिर परदादाओं की स्टोरी आप सुनो. So don't you see that we are going and our baggages are still there? So the machines are fed not only with us, just a minuscule, हम छोटे हिस्से हैं जो हम फीड कर रहे हैं उसको. It's already fed with all the biases and prejudices of the past. तो machines में वही है. अब machine क्या कर रही है? What the machine doing? Is it deciding? Is it thinking? No. But we have an option of deep think So it is not, it's neither thinking, it's neither doing any other thing that we do. It is not empathizing, it is not sympathizing, it has no compassion, it has no mercy. So if I fall here, मुझे चक्कर आ गया, अब क्या करूँगी? कितने लोग उठेंगे मुझे पानी पिलाने के लिए? Thank you very much. I would not die. तो this is compassion. तो AI machine मुझे गिरता हुआ देखेगी, करेगी. So how can we say what an AI machine is doing to me? So it is predicting. Make out with emphasis. It never thinks. It never feels. It never rules out prejudice. And it never considers a special case as a special case. It considers it as a general routine based on the data that is biased, prejudiced. समझ में आ रहा है? मैं आपके am I conveying something to you? You don't need to understand everything. I'm just making it simple and fact. मैंने PPT नहीं बनाई. हालांकि it's ready with me. It's ready with me. But वो PPT में कितने पेज आप याद रखोगे? कुछ लोग लिखने बैठेंगे, तो जो उनको सुनना समझना है वो बाद में रखेंगे, उसके लिए वक्त नहीं मिलेगा. I know the frequency of youngsters. Do you get time to rethink? No. आपके पास काम इतना है, पीछे देखने के लिए वक्त ही नहीं है. And you don't have time for bullshit, is it right? Who is with me that we don't have time for bullshit? Oh, very nice. See, we have the same frequency, don't we? Do I look too old? Okay. So I will be making it a bit interesting. So what is it? अभी तक हमने क्या बताया? That AI is machine learning. What machines are being taught? All the data that's still there. Good, bad, worst. Fine? ठीक है? Ma'am, ठीक है? What's your name? Gayatri, please come here. अच्छा, तो you are please. We need us to bless from here. You two of you, please come. Grace us here. Grace us here. कुछ तो मानो. मैं तुमसे थोड़ा बड़ा हूँ. तो हमने क्या कहा अभी तक? क्या है AI? मशीन लर्निंग. सो मशीन को क्या देते हैं हम? डाटा. कौन सा डाटा? All of you please. See, I must tell you, don't work too hard. Just work optimized. To know that you are young. आपको शौक जिंदगी के बहुत होंगे और insecurities भी बहुत होंगी. Just don't bother about them. You just settle in career. Everything would be in your way. I must tell you. Just don't waste your energies. Give me just air for half an hour. I promise you. What is the time now? I will not make it too long. 12 कम. It's 51 हो गई. हम 1:30 बजे खत्म कर लेंगे. Are you with me? But I need your attention. I will not bore you. Only 40 minutes. Is that fine? Yes, sir. But I need your attention. Can I beg for your attention? Yes, sir. Because you are the futures of tomorrow. Yes, sir. And I have not come here for any remuneration. I have spared my day, rescheduled. I was in Bhopal, National Judicial Academy, Bhopal. So, Miss Ankita, she was my senior in PhD in Chandigarh University. She made a call that we have this Juris Day. I said, I will definitely come. Because I would love to be with my youngsters. At least they will give me good, innocent energies, very, very positive energies. Because you not only have to be professionals, you have to be good humans. A good brother, a good mother, a good sister, a good spouse, a good father. If somebody believes in that. Or if nothing, a good human being. Is that right? Are we supposed to be less than a good human being? Huh? No. सिर्फ इतने ही लोग बोलेंगे. Are we supposed to be animals? So what are we supposed to be? What does a human mean? Come on. What does a human mean? Who else? Use the mic, please. Let 2 or 3 volunteers move the mic around, please. Can 2 or 3 people come as volunteers? Can you rotate the mic to the people who want to say?
Humans are those who has feelings.
Volunteers. Who would please take the seat? Anyone? Yes. एक इधर रहो, so that mic goes to everyone. I want to hear each one of you. समझ रहे हैं और प्रेजेंट चैलेंजेस को समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. The present challenges is आप में से लोग जो होंगे, I'm sure I will try to remind your faces. मैं भी आप ही की तरह था. No attention in class. अगर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया भी आता मैं कहता तो कौन है, हम स्टूडेंट हैं, होता है. बट विद टाइम हमने जिंदगी में ये समझा कि एक पियोन आपको अंदर जाने नहीं देता, एक कांस्टेबल आपको बंद करके रखता है. Then you understand कि how little we are. So इस एज में I understand your frequency. Sky is the limit. Energies are high, hormones are high. Be seated. Hormones are high, but इसमें छुरी जब तेज होती है हाथ कितनी बार कटता है? बहुत बार. कटने से बचना है. अगर छुरी उठानी भी है ग्लव्स लगा के, प्रोटेक्शन लगा के, हर चीज करके. Fine. So I understand the frequency, and so new participants have joined. It's good, but I would request for some silence. So till now, for the new participants, please. ये कहीं जबरदस्ती तो नहीं लाए गए मैडम? ऐसा लगता है कि जबरदस्ती लाए गए. अब जबरदस्ती हो ही गई है ना, अब इसको एंजॉय करते हैं. Can you be with me? Yes, sir. Come close then. So we discussed till now. Come close. ऐसे लगता है in the front rows. I don't have any double meanings, please. Come close. अच्छा, शायरी कितने लोगों को पसंद है? आपको एंटरटेन करने के लिए मैं एक शेर बताऊं? इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करो. We are discussing ethics. We are discussing rule of law, and we are discussing evolving legal morality. So don't you think it's too much for us? Is it too much for us? It is. Simplify it. Can't we simplify it? Can we simplify it? You in maroon, sir? You please come here. Are you a law student? What's your name? Good to meet you. Please come here. See, I'm a judge. I control accused. आप तो students हो, आपके साथ में रहते हो. आगे please come. Can't be sad, please. Acha, we have discussed what a machine learning is. See, we'll simplify this. Please. If you want me, I will finish in half an hour. But don't talk. Let's be serious for the time being. We are here to discuss AI. We are discuss the challenges of AI. What we usually do is we don't know what is AI. AI is not a new word. AI has been in this world from the day we were born. Because AI is using some tool to assist us. Don't you think that we use the wheel? कभी हमने wheel use किया? Imagine जब wheel नहीं था. अच्छा, wasn't it artificial intelligence? It is not human. It's working. It's been making our cars. You are coming to this place. Aeroplanes, every place. See how the wheel revolutionized the world. So it came as a need. We embraced it, connected it. हमने एक्सेल, सस्पेंशन सब डेवलप कर लिया, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, है ना? इसी तरह से मशीनें आ गई. Then there was industrial revolution. तो there were वो जो गांव से शहर की तरफ बसने लगे, इंडस्ट्रीज की तरह, रेंट की प्रॉब्लम, रेंट लॉ की अगर बेसिक आप समझोगे ना, इट्स एक्चुअली अर्बनाइजेशन पोस्ट इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. फिर उनके साथ जातियां होगी, फिर आ गई रेंट प्रोटेक्शन. तो हर लॉ की एक जेनेसिस होती है. तो अभी हम जिस सिनेरियो में हैं, इसी तरह से आए फिर कंप्यूटर्स. आपने एक मूवी है, तो बड़ी क्लासिक मूवी है आदमी, उसमें इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन को दिखाया गया है, एंड द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ ह्यूमंस दैट दे आर सेइंग दैट वी लूज अवर लेबर. मशीनें आ गई तो हम खत्म हो गए, हम फाके मरेंगे. बट डू वी सर्वाइव दैट? हमने इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन को सर्वाइव किया? वी एक्सप्लॉइटेड इट, हैवंट वी? कितनी मशीनें हमारे काम आसान करती है. कौन हाथ से कपड़े धोता है घर में? हाँ, बर्तन तो मजबूरन धोते होंगे, हाँ, क्योंकि भरोसा नहीं है बर्तन साफ हो गए, हाँ, मगर उसमें भरोसा नहीं है. क्या सच में साफ करते हैं? खाना है, मुंह में रखना है. So otherwise, robots are cleaning rooms now. So haven't we exploited machines? Haven't we? Haven't we? What is in your hand? Mobile phone. Aren't we exploiting it? Is it not your secretary? Is your phone not a personal diary? Is it not a watch? Is it not everything? Is it not a jinn? Aladdin ka. Tick tick, order, pizza. Tick tick, blanket, anything. So don't you think it's a jinn? So we have exploited machines. We have overcome this. So in this scenario, we are with AI. And we are using it. We are feeding it. But we are getting scared by it. Are we? We are. Because we are not seeing what AI is doing. AI is taking data, all the biases, all the prejudices, and predicting. Predict. Emphasis. Predict. Not think. So, are you thinking? Yes. Are you? You're a human being, of course. Even if you don't want to think, you're still thinking. And some more things she has accepted it. So overthinking is again a problem. So it is predicting. Predicting what? A probability. What is probable? Based on past data. And past data में क्या है? कहाँ? कितने? Biases. अच्छा, imagine. Let me give a practical example. एक स्टेट ने एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया, AI से चलता है. वो कहता है जी हम डिसाइड करेंगे कि प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कौन क्राइम करेगा ऑन द बेस ऑफ पास्ट. तो सॉफ्टवेयर फीड किया, उसमें देयर वाज नो रेसिड्यूइज्म. It was less than errors, 15%. So 85% is fine as per statistics, but 15% is wrong. So it is predicting now. Can any one of you challenge it, saying that it is against presumption of innocence? You know what is presumption of innocence? Law students sab hai yaar? Yes, sir. All of you? Yes, sir. Anyone other than law? No. So, what is presumption of innocence? In a criminal trial, accused is always presumed innocent unless proved guilty. Fine? So I will give an illustration. Note kar lena. Compass. Compass. COMPS. It's an American software which was meant to see predictability of persons who would involve in crimes. तो उसमें देखा क्या गया? ये जो मैंने आपको प्रॉब्लम दी, उसमें देखा गया जब ब्लैक थे उनके साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी वर्डिक्ट देता था AI. क्यों? जो केस लॉज डाटा एआई मशीन से लिया है वो तो 50 साल की स्लेवरी की निशानी है। Then that color and that गोरा सफेद की जंग अभी भी है। It is not still resolved. Is it resolved? Not yet. That's why we say that it's a racist comment. Do you know what's a racist comment? अगर आप मुझे कहोगे आप कश्मीरी हो, ये racist comment। अगर आप मुझे कहोगे आप हरियाणवी हो, या आप कहोगे आप बिहारी हो, see ना? Well, see, it hurts so many people. Yeah, ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट की है। Have you seen the movie of Amitabh Bachchan? That वो Pink. See how he projects that how Asian we are. मतलब वो वहाँ की है तो is she less than a human being? No. ये हम में भी biases हैं. Don't you think that we have biases? Huh? Do we have? Yes. But we have a potential to remove them. Do we have a potential to remove a bias? Yes, we have. See, I was born a patriarch, but I'm not anymore. So, I changed my mentality. And I'm sure I proclaim it. I'm not a patriarch anymore. I claim, I'm not sure, my wife will be the testimony of it. But I believe that I'm not a patriarch anymore. So what will change? आपने कभी अपने करियर में ये सोचा था कि मैं कुछ और करूं? फिर कहाँ गए? यहाँ। तो this is how life goes on. हम ये सोचते हैं, वो गलत होता है। जैसे ये है, ये बोतल है, क्या रंग है इसका? नहीं, इस ढक्कन का। What's the color? Green. Is it full? Is it empty? So who is right? It's empty also, it's full also. So nobody is right and nobody is wrong. It's what is the spectacle that I'm wearing? See, there's a very famous English that everything appears pale to the jaundiced eye. जिस आंख को पीलिया होता है उसको सब पीला देता है। और इसी का दूसरा है that beauty lies in the eyes of। तो ब्यूटी भी उसी आंख में है, वो पीलापन पीलिया भी उसी की आंख में है। तो ये दोनों हमारे नजरिए हैं। So that is true. And we have potential to change. But AI का क्या potential है change करने का? Data machine है, think तो करेगी नहीं, predict ही करेगी। Prediction में है, prediction ये है कि आज बारिश होगी, prediction ये है आज धूप होगी। अब prediction में ये नहीं कही है तूफान भी आएगा। So that is human. So we can be this, that. सुबह माँ के साथ प्यार से बात करते हैं, शाम को गुस्से में। तो बेटियां तो बाप के साथ करती हों। तो जो भी है, so don't you feel that we are fluctuating each second of the day? सुबह गर्मजोशी से शुरू किया, बीच में गुस्सा हो आ गया तो दिन खराब। देखो मैं माइक के बदले बोतल यूज कर रहा हूँ। तो don't you think that we have that cracks and troughs in the whole day, even before going to bed? है ऐसा कुछ? So we'll come back to the AI. So we need to say that AI is machine learning which consolidates data, all the data good and bad, and then does what? Processes it and then gives a predictable outcome. So it never decides, keep it clear. That's a good thing, that it will never decide. It will never think. But where does the challenge lie? Challenge lies is जब स्टैटिस्टिक्स की बुनियाद पे कोई चीज आता है, उसके खिलाफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कौन कर सकता है? भाई साहब, आपके क्लास में टॉपर है 87% वाला, उसके खिलाफ शिकायत करनी है। How tough it is? अच्छा आपका है वो जो होता है क्लास का कौन होता है मॉनिटर सिया इज ही पावरफुल सच बोलो है अथॉरिटी है ना चेक्स भी है बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमंस इमेजिन सियार अगर होता एआई इसने मुंह खोला कंप्लेंट इसने ऐसा किया कंप्लेंट बट हाउ यू सी यू आर द सियार who is the सियार come here attention please sit what's your name good afternoon Anas oh mashallah आराम से sit so we are blessed with Anas Qadri who is the Siya so what do you see do you want to say anything अच्छा what do you see जब कोई indiscipline करता है
I will directly complain to the teacher about them.
immediately
No, I don't.
okay you don't
First, I communicate.
अच्छा so see the human had it been an AI CR कितनी शिकायतें दिन में करता so he sees that उससे भी हो सकती है यार ये भी मुझे माफ करेंगे he feels do you understand what I want to convey by this you feel I will fall also there so he will be a lovely CR now sit so this is the difference between a machine and a human so the takeaway that we should take today you will learn AI from the AI app itself so I'm not here to teach you I will teach you the soul of AI that is never ever stop being a human and the challenge for you all of you is please remember 1 minute from me the biggest challenge in this AI world for you is when we stop being human and what is tough to go against the CR is 85% तो वोट इसी के so that is why when biased AI is there किसी को उनके खिलाफ जाने में बहुत मुश्किलें होगी so they will say it's convenient we'll fall in it फिर वक्त ऐसा आएगा हमें आदत हो जाएगी उन्हीं decisions की that it will become a routine that is the threat and danger are you conceiving what is the threat and danger then we will not be deciding we'll switch ourselves to the automation of this AI that we confirm as per statistics is 85% correct so हम कहेंगे हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया हमने जस्टिस नहीं की उसने दिया हमने कंफर्म किया अब हम अकाउंटेंट हैं don't you think so do you conceive what I want to convey if you take this word I think that all doubts about AI would clear AI is never going to decide AI is never going to think because there is none in this world who can surpass a human being the way human beings have been created and you know how much of our IQ we use what percentage of IQ we use huh? no that's too much oh even Einstein has not used more than 2%
0.8 or something.
Yeah, average IQ is 0.8 of 100. Imagine, एक से भी कम हम यूज कर रहे हैं, तो कितना बकाया है? काफी सर?
99.0.
नहीं, 99.2. तो हमारे पास 99.02 IQ अभी हमने टाइप ही नहीं किया है, and you don't know. 2 के बाद जब हम टैप करते हैं it is square 2 2s are 5 5s are and 10 10s are so जब हम 2% से आगे अपना IQ यूज करेंगे जो हमारा अभी है वो क्या हो जाएगा square cube I don't know what it can be so don't feel that we're less so AI is a machine who will process take all the biased data there come here please you specky like me come here you of course you there come ये जो आपके साथ है yeah Come here, I want you here. So, it is learning and it's processing and predicting, never thinking. And what we are supposed to do is, what's your name? Ritik. Lovely to meet you, please sir. Please sit here. सब गुंडे आगे में बुला रहा हूँ. I'm sorry. Hi sir. Let's make some quick tools. कोई सवाल, कोई शक in the meanwhile? कुछ पूछना चाहते हो? कुछ भी पूछो. Law, AI, morality. ये जो लफ्ज़ है, ये तो words. These words. Hello. Hello. ये तो words है, ethics. This comes later. Let's first learn what the principle is. Law students are students of law. So ethics comes later. Ethics would be that we have to stay human. AI has to stay within our control, and it has to control. कुछ लोग AI को as friend use करते हैं. You know there are now AI girlfriends also. Yes. AI boyfriends also. Hey, you need somebody to talk as free. है ना? देखो अकेलापन उन्होंने भी महसूस किया है. तो now imagine a machine आपका अकेलापन दूर करेगी. Would it be felt? So how artificial it is, like artificial intelligence, isn't it? Would you love to have an artificial wife or a real wife? Artificial husband or a real husband? Real, na? Thank God. Real सिर्फ दो ही लोगों के लिए. So who are with real? Who are with unreal? So what is in between? चलो अच्छा now the biggest challenge that we have now is how the AI is taking the seat of a decision. The threat is not that it's quick. The threat is not it's adaptable. The threat is not that it's efficient. So कोई भी काम करने वाला हो उसके खिलाफ जाना कितना टफ है. जैसे मैंने सियार की सब जब if somebody is efficient, how tough it is to confront. So an AI machine which is prompt, which is quick, which is processing data and has all the information, is giving predictability, flight to my words. कहीं मैं मिस हूँ अपनी predictability से एक ईंट यहाँ रख देता है, फिर खुद ही मकान बनाता है जो मकान मैंने कभी बनाया नहीं. Don't you think that this AI is building a house on predictability of past and without mind? मैं अगर लफ्ज़ एक कहूँ I के बाद क्या predict आप करोगे? I am. I'm a boy. If I'm not, I'm a girl. Fine? Either of the two. Or I'm any color of spectrum of sexuality. Let's not go there because judge has no gender. Do I have any gender? So I'm using dupatta also. So I'm trying to dilute my gender. And I'm using floral this waistcoat also. So that's not the question. Question is that it can't sense what you sense. How many senses we have? Oh, you have 6? 7? Huh? 5. But we have 6 senses also? We have 6 senses also? Yes. There are n number of senses. It depends upon which portal you open. Which port you open. USB port, aux port, Bluetooth. Because we don't have eyes to see so many things. We see very little things. We know matter and laws of matter. We don't know metaphysics. Do we know metaphysics? But do you know love? किसी को पता है love क्या है? अच्छा hate पता है? Jealousy पता है? हैप्पीनेस पता है, जुबिलेंस पता है, हुर्रा पता है क्या है? So these are human. You will not see them with machines. They are not never in machines. So when we don't have humor, when we don't have fun, when we don't have compassion, when we don't have sympathy, when we don't have empathy, so how I am going to decide to take care of a man, a woman, a child? So that is the challenge. Challenge is that AIs are deciding, they are entering the zone of decision. And once they are entering the zone of decision, because I am confirmed it's convenient. AI ने जो दिया छाप लिया. अगर मैं आज PPT बनाता AI ने बना के लाता ऐसे. वैसे मैंने बनाई. But मैंने दिखा ही नहीं. But because I know AI is nothing before me. मैं आपको पंक्चर करता हूँ 10 बार. मैं any AI give me here I will puncture. एकदम से पंक्चर करूँगा. सीधे ही बैठते बैठते ही पंक्चर करूँगा. Now they are telling us in 2027, all the IQ of humans, जितनी भी दुनिया में रही है, वो जमा होके एक ही बॉर्ड के पास हो. ये लोग है, क्या कहते हैं उसको? टेस्ला वाला? हाँ? Elon Musk कहता है 27 में एक मेरा बॉर्ड पूरे दुनिया की जो इंटेलिजेंस है, it can process millions of files in 1 second. जब तक मैं इधर मुड़ूं, इसे फाइल प्रोसेस नहीं होगी. But still, will it be superior to us? Never. Never be scared. But at the same time, you have to equip yourself that you don't lose your privacy. You know, there was a case in Delhi. One actor registered his trademark, being a singer. And he was creating songs from AI and singing them on Suno app. And then he got his trademark registered. Once it flouted, he was claiming to sing like Sonu Nigam. It's a case. In India, in Delhi, in North India, in Mumbai. And उसने फिर withdraw कर दिया अपना trademark when he could not show his ownership. See? Fake singers, fake poets. आजकल हर कोई किताब लिखता है. Easy. सब राइटर बन गए, सब फिलोसोफर भी बन गए भाई. We have so much of that. That's good. But that is to be in-depth human knowledge, free from all AI biases. So do you think that AI machine is a power? See, if you see AI as a technology, then we are wrong. AI is not just technology. It is not only giving predictability, it's not only giving user numbers. It's so good for creating of trademarks, for artistic work. AI can be used for that. But AI should not be used for deciding. The concern here is no decision by AI. It should be human decision. एक्सप्लॉइट को आप कितना कर सकते हो, कितने डिजाइन निकाल सकते हो ट्रेडमार्क में. आप AI में खोलो कि मैं आज के बाद साइकोथेरेपिस्ट बनूंगी और लोगों को प्रवचन दूंगी, आपको रोज प्रॉम्प्ट आएगा, हो गए आप साइकोथेरेपिस्ट. आपको बनना है culinary स्पेशलिस्ट, वो बोल दो, आपको हर स्टेप पे एक और रेसिपी देगा ChatGPT, वो करो. But when AI comes in making policies, when AI comes in taking decisions, then it has to pass through the touchstone of human. So we as humans have a duty to feed on AI, that you have to be accountable. उससे याद आ जाएगा, isn't that data that we are feeding? So if we talk about AI के ethics, morality के ethics, don't we think that we are talking about AI and telling him he has to be morally upright? This is also data. So ये जो हम discussions यहाँ कर रहे हैं, we are controlling AI by discussing, by searches that we do. That's also feeding the data. But हमारा data is minuscule. जो 22 इतने सालों की है, that's too much. So it's an uphill task and Herculean task. So AI should be conceived as a power. AI should be conceived as a power. We have 5 minutes left now. AI should be considered as last 5 minutes. AI should be considered as and power के लिए क्या उसूल है? A power has to be just, fair and reasonable. जैसे rule of law. Excuse me, rule of law is? So if AI is made to be accounted that ये डेवलपर की गलती है, अगर कोई गलत डिसीजन आया, क्या डेवलपर की गलती है? Why are we involved? Attendance. इनको अटेंडेंस करवा दीजिए. Please don't disturb man for another 5 minutes. Give some respect to. Please stay. So कहाँ था मैं? See, I have an eye on everybody of. Everybody of you means mind, body, and soul. So you have 3 parts. Don't you think that you're looking at me like a owl, but you are basking in the meadows? Huh? वो नहीं चलेगा. So AI is a power. So conceive for law students, for managerial students who have to take rational decisions. AI is a power which has to account for being just, fair and reasonable, and it has to give all the tests that rule of law has to give. So आप देखो लेबर लॉ में कब आया लेबर लॉ? जब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन ज्यादा हुई, आया ना, कंट्रोल हुआ ना. अब लेबर राइट्स कितने हैं? अभी भी हम कर रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं? ई-श्रम. अभी भी ई-श्रम इज फॉर लेबर्स, लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, कलेक्टिव वेलफेयर, कलेक्टिव बार्गेनिंग, तो वो सब चीजें करते हैं. अब एआई में जब आया है, एआई में भी आएगा. We need to control its privacy and accountability. How you have decided, on what basis? अब हिंदुस्तान में भी काम होगा data privacy. So India is leading AI. The judgments here are leading AI. Our vision is leading AI. We are not less than anyone. अगर किसी चीज में भी हम पीछे हैं, जो आज की करंट दौर है, India is leading. I must tell you, is India leading? Yes, sir. You, Mr. laughing there, you. Which country is not leading? India is leading? Yes, sir. Is India leading? आप तो सर भी नहीं हिलाते. हाँ, आ जाओ, इधर आके हंस के दिखाओ. So India is leading in AI, so much so that we are conducting global things on it. So the only thing, the takeaway that we need to take today, only 2 minutes left. Only 2 minutes left. So we need to take away that AI is a power and we have to make somebody accountable. Either the software or the programmer or who has given the decision. So through whose hands the decision leaves, the first accountability अभी है, but अभी लॉ नहीं बना है. प्रोग्रामर को हम अकाउंटेबल बनाए, सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी को अकाउंटेबल बनाए. गलती मशीन की नहीं है, गलती डाटा की है जो खराब है. Because we have been coming across and growing, and that has developed by practices. So AI in the same way, you will see law, data privacy वाला law आ गया है, बहुत सारे laws आ गए हैं. We will account जहाँ AI को हम accountable बनाएंगे, और उसको कहेंगे जब आपने ये राय दी है, on what basis you have given it, is it verified, क्या biases है. So would you use AI? Yes. Would you use AI? Yes. But would you use it unchecked? So would you find human angles in it? No. You will put human angles in it, and you will screen it and take away that AI is our mistress. AI is our slave who would help us, but it can't rule us. So AI will never rule us. So that is the challenge. Fine? Is it fine for today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. AI. I will give one concluding remarks. Just a quick reminder. AI is nothing but a machine having data, predicting one of the outcomes. To horse any human emotion, compassion or mercy. So we need to take care of that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. और आखिर में एक ऑप्टिमिस्टिक शेयर।
this side. Ma'am.